29th International Building Trade Fair for ARC took place at the Prague Trade Fairgrounds in Letňany in September, along with its accompanying program. It's one of the largest exhibitions of world trends and innovation in the field of civil engineering, the technology of buildings and other fields, and is visited every year by many tens of thousands of professionals. The company Masterterm had a distinctive stand, with a number of new products and superb designs, not only for builders. Masterterm is well known as the producer of various types of heat pumps, suited both for whole industrial buildings and blocks of flats, and for energy-saving houses. Masterterm's pumps have received a number of international awards. We have brought a new product to the trade fair, the groundwater heat pump. It has a 1 to 5 kilowatt output and is suited to modern low-energy houses. Houses are built today to make full use of space, so houses are now lacking so-called utility rooms. This trend has been going on for some time now abroad, where we export most of our products. Our partners in Great Britain, Ireland and Holland have asked us to adapt to this trend, which we have started doing. We've developed a heat pump which can be built into the kitchen units, thus avoiding the need to have a utility room. This heat pump is unique on the market. It has an output of 1 to 5 kilowatts. It's an inverter with alternating operation. You probably know that the life of heat pumps depends on the number of starts in the compressor. Since it's an inverter, it can be as little as 2 starts per day. I've been working with Masterterm for 20 years now. I can confirm that some of their pumps have been in service for 20 years without needing to be serviced. It's not true to say that heat pumps are difficult to service or have a short life cycle. This heat pump has yet another advantage. The price of a new built home is now between 940 and 2,500 euros per square meter. A boiler room that takes up 6 square meters is therefore pretty expensive. The advantage of this heat pump is that it is easy to install in a kitchen. It's only 80 centimeters tall, and its compact design means it can be installed in cupboards. It is extremely well equipped. It can heat, cool, and cool in reverse without a compressor. The unit is a higher specification than competitors, and equipment such as the level of pump, with online diagnostics and regulation, separates it from the competition. It has the R32 coolant, which is environmentally friendly, and has a small volume of coolant, 3/4 of a kilogram. I can only recommend this pump. We congratulate the company Masterterm on their excellent trade fair presentation, and we wish them many more successes in the future.